digitize field operations and make them more efficient. There they are. Thanks. Field ops, why? Well, there's a convergence in technology happening at the moment that has the potential to make fields, to revolutionize the way we perform field ops. But when you look at people in inspection and maintenance, it's mostly paper-based. They go out, they take notes, they go back. They waste time. Now, this resistance to change, according to a McKinsey report, has consequences. Field teams waste up to 50% of their time compiling data, writing reports. At the same time, 95% of potential data points along the workflow are simply wasted. Now, companies rely on comprehensive data nowadays in order to start and work with AI. And at the same time, third point, new technology is not really integrated into the field. It happens in the back office, but it's not really tightly integrated in the field. I'm talking about drones, I'm talking about CAD, BIM, data, and sensors. And the MPA recognizes this problem. So 2 out of 5 innovation points are in fact directly linked to field ops. And it's at the same time, field teams do want to use a digitized way of performing field work. If you look at construction sites alone, you're going to see that up to 90% of field staff in the region here use WhatsApp to share often sensitive data. Now that's a clear indication that they want something in their hand. This is where MapGage comes in. MapGage provides a simple yet complex application system that allows to integrate third-party sensors or new technology into a mobile-centric workflow system, allowing field teams to synchronize work results in real time. For example, we created an inspection system for floating pipe systems for Boskalis that allowed them to reduce the time it takes to create an inspection of a floating line from 2 to 3 weeks to a couple of days. As part of Pier 71, we want to focus here in Singapore on the vessel inspection business, port operations, as well as supply chain inspections. The potential here is huge. I mean, these industries do over 10 billion turnover per year, employ over 100,000 people. We are well positioned to serve this market. We have an office in Rotterdam, and we are opening the maritime business here in Singapore at the moment. Clients of us include Boskalis, the largest dredging company in the world, who are also active here in Singapore, a large heavy lifting engineering firm called Mammoet, 3 big cities in the Netherlands, as well as the largest architecture firm in Malaysia. We are MapGage, and we are here to digitize your field ops. Thanks.